In a world filled with opportunity, mastering the art of creating wealth from zero is the ultimate challenge that few dare to embark on. But fear not, for I am here to guide you through the 9 ultimate steps to building your empire from the ground up. Step 1. Setting your vision. Envision the life you desire and set clear, achievable goals to pave the way to success. Without a vision, you'll be lost in the sea of mediocrity. Step 2. Financial literacy. Knowledge is power, and in the world of wealth creation, understanding the ins and outs of finance is your gateway to greatness. Educate yourself and watch your wealth grow. Step 3. Multiple streams of income. Diversify your sources of revenue to protect yourself from economic downturns and ensure a steady flow of wealth. From investments to side hustles, explore all avenues. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Hard work and discipline. Success doesn't come easy, and building wealth from zero requires dedication, perseverance, and a strong work ethic. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and watch your efforts pay off. Step 5. Strategic planning. Develop a solid business plan, invest wisely, and make strategic decisions that will propel you towards your financial goals. With a clear roadmap, the possibilities are endless. Step 6. Networking and building relationships. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, seek mentorship, and build strong relationships that will open doors to new opportunities and growth. Step 7. Smart investing. Put your money to work for you by investing in assets that generate passive income and appreciate over time. From stocks to real estate, make informed decisions and watch your wealth multiply. Step 8. Mindset mastery. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, positivity, and resilience. Believe in your ability to achieve greatness, overcome challenges, and manifest the wealth and abundance you desire. Step 9. Giving back. True wealth is not just about amassing riches but also about making a positive impact on the world. Give back to your community, support causes you believe in, and experience the fulfillment that comes from helping others. And there you have it, the 9 ultimate guides to creating wealth from zero. Embrace these principles, take action, and witness the transformation of your financial reality. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step. Are you ready to take yours? Stay tuned for more insights and strategies on how to build your empire from the ground up.